Good evening. First, I'd like to thank the Oak Park Community Foundation for the opportunity to speak tonight. One thing that Jay didn't mention was that in addition to going to UCLA and CSUN, I also attended North Hollywood High, Walter Reed Junior High, and Carpenter Avenue Elementary School. From kindergarten through graduate school, I am a product of the California public school system. I feel strongly that a public education is not only a right, but that a school district has an obligation to provide the best possible education. And that's why my wife and I chose to move to Oak Park nearly 16 years ago. We knew that the school districts were among the best in the state, and that's still true today. Unfortunately, the state of public education is not what it was when I graduated. The current budget crisis, coupled with declining student enrollment, has resulted in a set of challenges that the district has not had to deal with in the past 30 years. But the mission of the district remains the same: to provide a quality education to all of the students in the district, including a vibrant arts and music program, small class sizes, and hopefully no furlough days. Obviously, there are costs associated with these items, costs that the state is not covering. As a board member, I will work with the district, county, and state to try to find revenue to maintain these programs so that Oak Park can maintain its position of prominence in the California school system. My background is in private industry, but I do not believe that a school district can be run as a business. However, there are sound planning and communication techniques that can be used to help the board operate more effectively. To be a successful board member, I will rely upon my experience and my ability to affect decisions by influencing and working with others. For the past 3 years, I have been assistant chair for the OPUSD Citizens Oversight Committee, ensuring that the Proposition C6 and R bond funds are spent appropriately. I'm also a governing member of our local YMCA board, and I've spent over 3 years as a member of the Temple Adad Elohim Strategic Planning Board. When elected, and with the help of the rest of the school board members, I will work to continue to move our district forward. I'm proud to be a member of this community and humbly ask for your vote on November 2nd.